We'll say. Bahar thagang so bandi bitora ai jowa. We'll start a program. अपने लंच कुराला पीछे रहना को दूर दूर जाऊला हन example जोने बोतो हन ना after your lunch kindly come to the reception table, okay, for your reimbursement. अपने taxi fare हन ना दीदी हमें ना मोक शुं हन दो लोग क्यों because you are staying here ना जाऊले टाउन हन दो ने ना सब बंदे तीये हन दो दीदी उधर हमें ना travel allowance का I mean, like the exercise karo de. Let's all introduce ourselves, na. Once surveyors kan na, so we get to know which town you belong, na. Starting from first row, ne.
Hello everyone, my name is Kivitali. I'm from Singapore.
Hello everyone, my name is Kivitali. Hello, my name is Jimito. Give my respect to all the officers. I'm from Singapore. My name is Itamo.
My name is Musa. I'm from Singapore.
My name is Nakato. I'm from Singapore.
My name is Sunda and I'm from Singapore.
My name is Suba and I'm from Singapore.
My name is Arvind. I'm from
My name is Deva. I'm from Mumbai.
Good morning everyone, my name is Balu and I'm from Singapore.
Hello everyone, my name is Moikam from Longling District.
Hello, my name is Sinjay. I'm from Longling.
My name is Chapong from Mangan District.
Hello, my name is Luma. I'm from Longling District. My name is Peter J. I'm from Shanghai.
My name is Tushi. I am from Kalimantan.
Everyone, my name is Sidney and I'm from Mangan.
My name is Tunjit. I'm from Shanghai. My name is Wapa. I'm from.
Hello, my name is Luciana. I am from Hong Kong. Hello everyone. My name is Bawang. I am from Hong Kong.
I am Madan from Mohokchung. My name is Apam from Mohokchung.
My name is Karim Dua from Mohokchung.
My name is Vijay from Hong Kong.
My name is Devnath. I am from Chorizo.
My name is Mars Song and I'm from Korea.
Morning all. My name is Juan. I am from Hong Kong.
My name is Along from Mangalore.
Hello everyone.
I'm Tadi. I'm from Sulu.
Hello everyone. My name is Bob Munzat. I am from Korea.
Hello everyone, my name is Tadyagam from Korea.
My name is Ayub from Korea.
My name is Amir from
everyone for your brief introduction. Now we shall start the presentation. Presentation by Im National MI specialist from SLTC. He will be giving you a brief round of procedures for using the Bhuvan mobile app for geotagging.
Good morning to all of you. Today I'll just try to explain about some of the problems that you all face when you're geotagging using Bhuvan app. So I'll try to lay it out in layman's term so that we all can understand better. So in the first presentation, I'll be giving you a PPT, a PowerPoint presentation. So this is the first field that every one of you will be facing. Surveyor ID fill up. This is ID that you will fill. So today, if you see the surveyor ID, which is the registered user ID. Udo ID do town in charge be or engineer town engineer be. Key ID is exact type capital D capital space space, which is case sensitive space capital D and then small letter type registration day problem divo. So registration day type problem divo. The next slide dikhai divo. Supposing apna do profile fill up in some of the spaces apna eco type kurde na any charge kolido uto error message alert ekta aibo. You have to fill all the profiles. It's mandatory. Kiki halibule asu to halibule lage noldo ina type error aibo. And supposing apna profile to tick par fill up kor paise and then you are filling the profile for the first time. Nutun phone ekta de nutun phone de hale asu kolido registered as a new user kona aibo de or else to nutun phone nohina Purana phone de notun ID hale asu kolido alak message sikta which I will be sharing to you in the next slide. To first registration dido registered as a new user konaibo. See, these are some of the alert types that you get during your registration process. The first one, number one, you are already registered for this city and your registration is pending for validation by the supervisor, which means apnar phone do already register hui jaise ekbar do holibi to la user ID do aro ekbar notun ekta banai na di dise to issue kolido ina error ina alert aibo do. This is not an error message, holibi alert hi ase do, just telling you that to la phone la UUID do already register hoise holibi to la notun user ID do register hona udi ko ase do. It's just saying that, so don't get confused, fill them. Number two, there are no approved city leads with a UUID and username. Udu matlab to nutun phone khante aibo de which means that you la phone la UUID thake na ekta udu register honai and on top of that to la username be register hui na nai. Supposing to any nutun phone ekta de to nijor haligina purana la user ID to haligina try korishigol do ina alert type ahe de do. So don't get confused udon do. And then the third law, it's the same thing. Number two, message to meaning to same message. Only we write up all of alak korna ibo one. Apna la app logot apni ki na interact kore se utu sabte message to ahe app to na. Number three, you're not a registered Bhuvan user kwado. Supposing you bought a new phone and then app install godishe, or to la purana user ID to nutun phone de halishi goli do utu message ayo because your new phone la UUID do nutun asu do 16 digit like the UUID thake na utu la ID do nutun asu do register honai do utu warni do you are not registered Bhuvan user ko asu do. So in this case you have to inform your town in charge pa ekta user ID banabo utigina tu same profile kina nutun fill up kore utui kuroba lage utu step to utla solution karne do. Tuila registration successful issue goli do you are an authorized user kona ekta ahibo alert ekta. And then registration know-how gode if you try to download the database nijor laga ULB laga registration know-how gode to download the beneficiary details after registration. Before registration if you try to download this alert message will come. So utu jani vide to kili ahi ase to meaning hando getting of GPS accuracy. GPS sare, I know many of you will be having difficulty GPS sare. So GPS la moi lop amnan ke kui dibo to take the GPS from the area of construction under enhancement. Enhancement to kuntu jaga de beneficiary bata extension jabole ase. Utu jaga ra GPS lubi. So that next time to GPS laram de diktar na pawo GPS pawole. Ulta bulta jaga ra GPS luishu ko next time jam de kuntu jaga ra GPS luishu tu na jan Foreign Thai next GPS to on dictar pabo. Udorne ekta focal point ekta rakhi with GPS to bole karne. New house karne when you go to beneficiary, new house karne beneficiary, you taige hudi do na khor bahai na banawale ase na nutun mate ase. Supposing if beneficiary bra khor do bahai na banawale ase guldo khor la bitor bra GPS luli because that whole area to the construction group ase do. Bahai na banawale ase do. So utui focal point to banai dibe new house karne do ko bahai na banawale ase gullo. And supposing new house se tai utu kor na bangabo bulibi empty plot ekta ase tadi banabo gullo empty plot pra GPS lubi tala existing kor pra GPS no lubi because construction to empty plot pra shuru hobo to jai to tati pra GPS lubi. GPS should be less than 1 to 20 meters laga range di hobo lage. And standard deviation should be 0 to 0.5. 0 to 0.5 means 500 and below meters. La bitor is standard deviation. Practically, I'm not going to dikhai dibo, but theoretically, all buji jabe do. And then see the last one. The surveyor is advised to wait for 10 to 20 seconds after capturing the first photograph, standing at the same location. Udu very important as first photo kichigina hat to nihilibi. Wait for 10 to 20 seconds. GPS to lishe GPS to tiki lishe hulibi photo loadam dibi GPS accuracy ekta loide photograph camera loadam de udone you have to wait for 10 to 20 seconds after capturing the first photo followed by the second photo dibi wait for 10 to 20 seconds. Practically I will show you how it's done. Theoretically try to understand. GPS photo dibi loe next photo de next time jota koram de supervisor might say that tuila distance bishu jajigona first photo second photo distance bishu jigona but toan la hisab to same jaga de lo ase construction be same jaga de ho ase to kili ho ase gollo this is the main reason the main root cause problem to itibra ho jay first photo second photo la distance la do. First photo logina ekta round ahina plan. Sometimes it comes. So that's where the photo laga GPS lo as zero. So that's where you have to stand for at least 10 to 20 seconds with still hands, not moving. Then the GPS accuracy will come, and then second photo will be the same thing. Second photo is away. Photo to duita bhi khichil issue lebi attribute la icon dikhe ase. Udo highlight honai ro, which means photo la GPS aro bhalor receive honai. Once the photo la GPS so receive hui jaise gole attribute la icon do highlight hobo. That is the main reason. Field de kida badam la face bhi hui na thago parai. Attribute la icon ke liye highlight no hoi gona, which means photo la GPS power pana. Bujhi ase na? photo la GPS to thik par loise gol do attribute icon do highlight ho jabo utu ina de beneficiary la construction la details kan ki aso that then you can enter. GPS la color indicators utu any one of you uses color indicators so GPS la da na so see GPS mari dishe GPS mara dam de color green orange red kona color ekta olai do so if tinta color to be red asogoli do tila GPS phone na GPS so iku signal nahe it's not receiving any signal do only red color lao only tinta bi orange asogoli do receive hoy ase GPS to phone bra it's coming signal is coming holibi tick par ahana so that's when you get orange signal green asogoli do your GPS reading tick hoise odina GPS icon to click ko parbo ekta jaga ri uthina just try to find your GPS if you move around GPS to aage bhi ho piche bhi ho udorne paradak with steady hands in ekta jaga de paradak GPS to search korbi problems under GPS accuracy this type of message I'm pretty sure many of you will be facing the distance between the earlier geotag and the new geotag is 1949.7 meters which means tuila puila geotag kichigina thagala location aru itya to geotag korala distance dekha ase do distance iman ase kona to accuracy to lowly na pare kona to ina problem I share golido if you face this type of error message alert message click on the map to click koribe map to click korishi golido the map will show you to ita GPS marala location aru tu puila GPS kutiba marise utola location dikhai dibo de map te so it is away the blue icon te do puila la GPS kutiba loise location udu dikhai ase and the orange icon te do itya tu GPS kutiba mare ase udu dikhai ase do so you see the distance terrain la distance thaga do gap to dikhi ase na udu distance thaga karone GPS hole na para ase so solution do map on korina if you move around korishigoli do your point the orange point will go back and front to hila hisabte utu hisabte to blue la icon la osode ahole paro GPS to phone do durina GPS marigina now that's how you find again GPS utu la problem face ushigol do earlier geotag la problem face korishigol na that's how you find the solution on the field. Accuracy thick na pagina any taratari GPS marti shigolilo reading thick na thagildo this type of alert will come accuracy should be below 20 meters standard deviation 0 to 0.5 in our message aibo GPS accuracy thick ya shigolilo confirmation message ekta hai aro example of an accurate GPS accuracy GPS la upor de on the left hand side GPS accuracy la reading dikhai dibo then you can take your photo next one project type te one house we have two types of houses one is new house and enhancement to new house la de if you are clicking new house has two types again one is single floor beneficiaries can single floor banagan one is multiple floor banagan so supposing if the beneficiary is constructing a single floor tai ground floor or new house nutun khor banaya ase na first floor de banaya ase na second floor de banaya ase na third floor de banaya ase new house udu hisab te on select kor pare single floor la ne multiple floors la if the beneficiary is constructing 2 stories 3 stories new house now low ground floor plus first floor ground floor plus first floor plus second floor utu hisab te apna select koribe I'm talking about new house multiple floors la de enhancement la de there are two types again enhancement la de one is horizontal is just sita mati de ground floor de sita khor banaya ase that's horizontal only vertical banaya ase gole do upor uthai ase gole do tai first floor second floor third floor kimanta floor uthai ase. That's where you select. Udu ase. Some of you might have udu doubt pi ho pare. Udu single floor, multiple floor to kina enter go lage. To udu ase. Under completed stage ladi to on utility field ikta where you have to enter the electricity, water, sewerage, and occupational status. Kali completed stage kichadamde, this option will highlight. Baki charta stage to highlight nukuribo. So the funda is simple. It will ask you negative no korna ebo, give positive answer. Yes korna sop to DDB. Occupational status to occupied by beneficiary. Notes la dido. This is a one-time note. Apna photo khicha damde ekta entry koro lage de app te. So enhancement garni do when you are clicking not started beneficiary, not started la khicha damde, give some details. Under any other details kona option ekta ase na app te. Tadi to all of details dibi so that the supervisor understands udu photo laga all of details kan jani bole. Family size, beneficiary laga, joint family as nai, number of floors, and then enhancement to the right side, palik tala kola right side tikores na left side tikores. So these are some of the details that any other details you can all of details rakhi dibo lage for the supervisor to understand more, and the communication between you and the supervisor be asan hobo. No little every time again the supervisor has to call you up and ask photo to bujana golero. So if you give this result just in not started stage, tabi buji jabo. And for new house, just by just beneficiary core behind a banawala as in your own words, to demolish existing house for construction of new house in a DDB, or empty plot as a golito, empty plot available for construction of new house. In your own words, just type it. So example though, this is any other details like example though, in your own words, just type it. It a comma come no grade. You have to give full stop. Full stop come grade. Under manage option, we have three to four feasibilities where you can fiddle around with the data. Send letter option dito ton data on field. Kimanta save kurishe utu thaki utare. View sent dito all data that you sent successfully will be available. Update work in photo town teachers kan babnange app update kurbi goina. So that's udu tadi click koro lage. Update work in photo click korishi goldo latest database la phone de update hui jabo. Aro supposing you are sending few data send kore ase and you are using two SIMs. One is Vodafone and Jio, and net to the Vodafone de cholai ase. Or call to Jio de ai send kora dam de, and then send successfully la message to ahanai. Because call I to network kati to Vodafone la the other network la. To lido ina asugolido send failed this away. Might be fail issue golido send failed this agivo. Data ando. Then from there you can select and send again. Send failed this agivo. So this is just a snapshot of under manage option. You have send letter, send failed, view sent, and update work info. Users can also send the data again from send failed and view sent. Supposing apnala site par photo to thiki jai jese de duita photo be khiji se thiki jai jese kole bi supervisor la anti punchi ki na photo ekta missing ase ekta photo nolai kona kida ba to tongi phone korna rui jana khichibi ina bi guina bi thakibo to ina dam de you don't have to go on the field twice. Send failed or view sent ladi sabi tadi thakibo beneficiary la data tadi click koribi and move to send letter option de click koribi so that you can send again the database. Beneficiary la kotak jabole kam nai duibar khichibole photo missing ase goliro or la phone dito photo duita bi ase goliro. Supposing photo ekta missing ase phone de ase goldo then you have to go on the field. Profile maintenance says software maintenance activity there. You have two options. One is reset configuration, one is clear space. See, in reset configuration, this option wipes out the profile and all the data saved on the app, after which the user would be prompted to enter the profile data again. Supposing you are using your phone and one fine day to la phone do app to chola tamde fill in profile or something in that option ahi jai. To little and the supervisor gives you a new ID and you're trying to register. Pulibi no hoy. Pulido reset configuration de pamardibi. Reset configuration marshiguldo tu la purana profile to phone la cache memory already saved kona asudo, which will wipe out the cache memory and then it will rewrite with your new user ID. Reset configuration is just to wipe out your old user profile ID. Whereas in clear space, this option removes data piled under the sent data scan kiman da phone de pile up kurina asna utu data to taibra clear space pra phlai dibo. Supposing your phone memory is full and you can't geotag, so clear space se click koribi kiman da data sent hoise utu lai data clear kor dibo, save korna data to da clear nokorbo, so that you can free up your phone la memory. So this is the options under software maintenance ladder, which is reset configuration, clear space, data option as well. Once you click on the reset configuration, you will get a confirmation page which alerts you that your profile details can wipe out. After that, you will have to enter your new profile data. It's only alerting you confirmation page. Same with the clear space. So some error alerts under Bhuvan. Some common error alerts under Bhuvan is UUID is already registered with another user. Please try again with another mobile, or the user is already registered with this user ID. So in our message I share nothing can be done from your side. Supervisor get screenshot korna patai dibi. Why this error message is coming is that tuila fall la UUID do already registered korna ase. Pulibi this time haladam dito to user ID do nutunikta halina try gore. That's why this message is coming. It can't override with the new user ID. New user ID to override calling number because UUID is already registered. So supervisor la end prop halai dishu golido, this error message will not come. Our database connection failed. So this is mainly to do with your network connectivity. Phone the network connectivity na thakigena to kitaba app on gradam de on this type of message will come, or server might be down on that particular time when you are trying to log in. Date and time like aerobic again, mobile must be set to use network provider date and time. See, this app uses real-time date and time, which means to your phone the date and time kina configure korna se utu subject re. By chance, if your date and time phone la configure korna nai power ulta date digina asgoldo or ulta year digina asgoldo, this error message will come. Solution utu problem garnido, set your date and time to the problem jajo. Cannot connect to server, please check internet connectivity. It's the same thing. Phone and network connectivity sabi, network connectivity thik asgoldo, server might be down. Wait for some time. Fail to fetch and extra data. It's the same thing. Network connectivity laws do. Network la connection sabi thik na golido, server might be down. So theoretically though, these are some of the errors that you get on the field. Solutions, so I've already said to you, and then I know you guys might be having questions and answers to ask, which we'll be answering in a short time. And next, I'll just show you how practically to on GPS on field. Kina bisrawa lage, kina power lage, and practically apna jalop dikhai dibo.